Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva look professional. First, establish a strong brand identity. Choose a consistent color palette, typically 3 to 5 colors, that reflects your brand's personality. Next, select 2 to 3 professional fonts. One for headings and another for body text works well. Finally, upload your high-resolution logo and any other essential brand elements directly into Canva for quick use across all your designs. This foundational step ensures visual consistency. Now, let's talk about layout and composition. Utilizing Canva's grids and guides is crucial for precise alignment, giving your designs a polished, organized feel. Don't underestimate the power of white space. It helps elements breathe and prevents your design from looking too busy. A clear visual hierarchy, achieved through varying font sizes and element placement, directs your audience's attention to the most important information first. Moving on to graphics and imagery, always opt for high-quality, relevant visuals that truly support your content. Avoid pixelated or generic stock photos. Consistency in graphic style, whether using flat icons or hand-drawn illustrations, reinforces your brand's aesthetic. Remember to use Canva's built-in photo editing tools to fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation, ensuring your images look their absolute best and integrate seamlessly. For the final touches, always proofread your text meticulously to catch any typos or grammatical errors. A professional design demands perfect copy. Before exporting, double-check that all elements are perfectly aligned and that your brand guidelines are met. Download your design in the correct format, such as a high-resolution PNG for web or a print-ready PDF. Now you're ready to share your polished, professional Canva creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.